Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is pretty lightweight. I'm not sure what's in here. We're going to find out together. If it is something that you can purchase, I will link it right down below. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon down below as well. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see what we've got here. This is from, Tanner. Thanks very much, Tanner. Let's see. Well, we've got a little poucher and we have a note. Okay, there's that. Hang on. Hey, MC, big fan of the channel. Wonderful handwriting, by the way, Tanner. It's fun watching the unboxings. Keep using the dull scalpel. Enclosed is the, It's their first all USA sourced and made production folder. I did not know that. I'm glad that you said something. I did not know that. Very cool. Mine is from their first production run, so it has a CPM 154 blade. But lately they've been using MagnaCut. That's also cool. I'd be happy with either. Feel free to use and carry, disassemble. Wow, there's so much good in this note. Just happiness. Perfect. Here's his he said, P.S. you and Sierra_bound are bad for my wallet. Yeah. Yeah, he's going to start getting lumped in with me here. So there's his Instagram, Tanner JG. Give him a follow. It's because people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Very cool. Okay, so this is an MBK. And usually when people hear MBK or Monterey Bay knives, they think of China. But this is apparently USA made. Oops. Oh, bummer. There we go. Sorry. It actually is quite nice. Quite nice. Hang on. Quite easy to reverse flick. Quite easy to forward flick. Very straightforward and basic design. But if it's done correctly, right? I mean, that's why knives like the Sebenza are evergreen, right? It's just an excellent, simple design. So this is the Sea Otter, and I remember seeing this and thinking, oh, I'd like to order that, and then I ended up missing it. But yeah, we have a real straightforward, very simple handle profile, but the chamfering is nicely done. No lock bar insert. Here's the thing. I kind of wish it had the insert just for the over travel stop, if nothing else, right? If there's another way that they can do that, sometimes they'll rest the pocket clip partially on the lock side and partially on the frame so that the pocket clip can, if you kind of do this when you're closing it, the pocket clip can kind of act as a little bit of an over travel stop, but it doesn't have that. It's kind of the one initial bummer thing that I'm seeing. Is this hollow ground? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, interesting thickness there. Also, I like the thumb studs, definitely. I'm really impressed that they did an all-US knife. I would not have expected that. What do we have here? Is it running on phosphor bronze? I think it is. Yeah, here. Should we zoom in? I know you guys like it when I zoom in, right? I know you like it when I zoom in. Yeah, it's running on phosphor bronze washers. Huh. Let's get some close-ups here. Oh. I don't know what all this is. Just from use, probably. That or he's been shaving with it, which is fine. Don't pretend, guys, that you don't sit there and do that. Don't be like, ew, I'd never do that. Shut up. You definitely do it. You also, absent-mindedly, I guarantee you scratch your nose with the tip, right? You do that. You dig your fingernails out, right? You do all that kind of stuff with your knife. Don't you dare judge. Nice pivots. Really like the thumb studs. Definitely like the thumb studs. Sorry, my thumbs are gross. Lots of dead skin on there. No milling on the inside, which is fine. No big deal. Pocket clip is very simple, very basic. I really would have preferred that they had nested it into the titanium, especially considering they just didn't do a left-handed, like it would have been nice to have that milled in. But maybe this is a model that's planned to be changed down the road. Good centering. Nice lockup. Looks like the geometry is good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, very solid lockup. No stick. No pivot lash. Very impressed that they did phosphor bronze washers. Was not expecting that. There we go. All right. Well, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. After I've had a chance to experience this knife a bit. I will, of course, do a full comprehensive review 3 weeks or so from now. And then this will go back to the owner. I still have people confused, thinking people just send me like everything that you see on this channel is mine and it was free. No, that'd be cool, but that's not how it works. Anyways, thanks again to Tanner for sending this in. This is very interesting. Very, very excited to check it out, especially after having learned that, it's made in the USA. Pretty cool. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.